Hi everybody and welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig and today I'm really excited to bring you from Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin this wonderful set of split cube box die set, and this is the split box editions die set. Just to give you a little peek here of what this does. Cute little photo cube, right? It's also a little gift box. So cute. So come back, play with us, and you'll get to see more. So here's all the 12 pieces for the split cube box set. And my friend Debbie made this first piece, and it's just a little half box. It's a little triangle box. So cute. She used these cute little balloon happy birthday dazzles like this. And what she did was she took them and put them on a piece of this acetate. And then she just cut around the shape of the balloon, and then you can see here she left a little tail at the end of that to glue onto the box so that they're floating. I thought that was super clever. This is how this box works. It's got a little tab, and you just open it up like that. I think it looks cute. It's like a little wedge of cheese. And then they've got these little pieces that you can make for these little decorative edges here. Okay. So cute. The little happy birthday, and that came from this set here. I'll show you those in a little more detail. But she wanted me to tell you that the month part right here, where it said, well, first of all, the happy is from the script greetings cutting die from hot off the press, I should mention. But the 30th right here, the 3 and the 0, it doesn't come with a little TH. So she said she took the month one and she just cut that off of that. She used those letters, which I thought that was really clever. All right, so let's get right down to how do you make these. Helen Griffin, the designer of these boxes, also has a fantastic video. So I'm going to attach that on the supply page. If you're watching us on our webisode page, just click on the product page for each one of these cutting dies, and you'll see that video. And if you're watching us on YouTube, I'll put it in the description box below the video. All right, so how do you construct these boxes? All right, so this is the main piece right here. And to make this little half box, you're going to take just one of these, okay? You die cut that. Now, you can then at this point take these other little decorative pieces and you can die cut them from here and from here at this point, okay, to make a beautiful lacy box, okay? So you'd be able to see through your box, but you could put some tissue in there and have this really elegant box, okay? But for our purposes, Debbie made the box solid and then put those patterns on the outside. So the first thing you're gonna do, we like to use the Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. The hold on this is really good, but you can also use the extra sticky tape as well. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this piece, and then you're also going to need this little flap piece right here for this. All right, so we've got those two pieces. We're going to, actually I think I'm not going to glue it yet because I'm going to use this again. So you're going to go like this. You're going to put glue right here, and you're going to form the back of the box like that. All right, then you're going to take this piece, you're going to put some glue right there, and you're going to glue that like that. All right, do not put glue on these long edges right here that are exposed because you want to be able to open this flap. All right, so you get it to this point, and then you're just going to tuck this flap in here. That's how you make this half portion. The reason I didn't glue that is because I want to show you again how to make this great cube. Okay, so this one right here is made with 2 of those. Oops, this little piece slid out. It's made with 2 halves. Okay, so you make those halves in the same way, and then I'm going to show you how to connect them together. Okay, very, very cute. This little piece right there. All right, so now we're going to actually glue. I can show you how to do this box. And with this glue, we love it because it's got a very quick bond. And these won't pop open on you later, which is really nice. Sometimes the extra sticky tape, I don't know if it kind of dries out over time or gets brittle. The glue won't do that. See how fast that dries, that's just great. All right, so at this point right here, we're gonna make 2 of these boxes. I've got another one, these little triangles. What I love about these boxes is the base is very, very simple to make, and then you can customize them to make them look different and do lots of different things out of them, which I think is just brilliant. Oops, I popped, I didn't hold it long enough. Okay, best to just pinch that and just hold it for a couple of seconds. All right, so now we've got another one of these flaps. Score lines are already there from the dies. All right, so now you're to this point right here. You haven't glued those flaps on. You're right there. You need to connect these 2 boxes. So we've got a connector piece right here. We find the connector die. That's this one right here. So we're going to, and Debbie said, when she made hers, you can glue this right here on the inside, or you can glue this on the outside of the box. It doesn't really matter because you're covering it with all the frames and things when you're done with your box. So for our purposes, we're gonna go ahead and put this on the inside like this. Okay. And now we're going to put some glue on this side. I just want them to get closer together there. All right. So as you can see, there's the base of the cube. Okay. So at this point now we're just going to glue those flaps in. So I'm doing that at this point because I glued the connector in first. Okay. And I'm just going to glue that in place right there. Here's my other one. And once you get your box made, you get to do all the fun stuff, decorating it, putting little photo frames on the outside of it. All right, so there we have that piece. So now, if you tuck these right inside, like that, and when you close this, you get your cube. But how do you get it to stay together? All right, so you're gonna take another one, another die, right here, and this is the flap that connects the 2. Now, this flap can be done in one of 2 ways. You can glue it kind of behind this piece right here, okay? Or Debbie made another kind of box where she glued this flap to the outside, put a couple little hole punches in it, and made an adorable little closure for her box. Isn't that cute? Okay, so on this one, she just didn't put these interior flaps in it. Very, very sweet. So now we're going to take this one and we're going to put it like she did for the blue photo cube box. Pinch in that a little bit so it stays. Now, oops, use enough glue there. There we go. I'm just working too fast. All right, so at this point, I can either have my flap go in this side, right here. Okay, it can thread right in there. Or I can choose to have it close like this side. I can just get this little side to connect right there, okay? But either case, I've got my closure for my cube. All right, so when I'm done with this part, now I can go to this little accessories, this little additions box. Oops. And I should show you what's in that. You've got the numbers, of course. And then you've got these adorable little photo frame pieces right here. Okay. So this is what it comes out with this die right here. Okay. And this is what it looks like when it's folded. So this is what Debbie did, and she just glued those right there. It's got an open edge so that you can just slide things right in there. And for her, she just slid in little pictures of her new grandson. And she just slid those in. And she actually used, for the paper pack, for this one, she used gingham #1 paper pack and the coordinating cardstock that we have to go with it. This is brand new from hot off the press. We haven't even officially rolled it out and introduced it, but Debbie and I just couldn't wait for our new papers, so we just jumped the gun and we're starting to use them. So that's what she used for this one and for this cute little pink box as well. I should also mention on the cute little pink box that she used the Happy Birthday Dazzle stickers. They come in a big pack like this in like all the finishes. There we go. All right, very, very cute. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on all of these dies, which I'm just going to push out of the way. All right, so we've got a cute little money saver that you can use to make all these great little gift boxes and things. As I said, these just slide right in there like that. We will attach the video that Helen Griffin made. Hers is brilliant and goes into lots more detail. So if you're watching us on our webisode page, just look to the right-hand side and you'll see the photo for the money saver, and you click on that. And if you're watching us on our YouTube channel, just look below the video in the description box and click on the link for the money saver. And there's also a link to paperwishes.com where you can find lots more videos and fun things to play with. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.